Good morning, readers. Today we are going to talk about comparing and contrasting texts. Go ahead and get out your reading, learning, intention sheet. Today as a reader, I am working on comparing and contrasting the techniques authors use to teach information. Readers, last week we talked about some of the things that we found in Seymour Simon books, Bobby Kallman books, and Gail Gibbons books. Take a minute to remember what we talked about that day. Give me a thumb up when you have an idea. Go ahead and share this with your reading partner now. Readers, as you know, authors can write in different ways about the same topic. So we're going to take a look at two different books that are both written about penguins. One is a face-to-face, and one is written by Seymour Simon. Readers, let's take a look at the Seymour Simon book first. Pause the video and read this page together as a class. Readers, think for a moment about how Seymour Simon writes. Think about the things that he chooses to include in his books and the things that he doesn't have. Readers, now we're going to take a look at the first page of the Face-to-Face with Penguins book. Go ahead and pause the video and read this first page together. Again, readers, think for a moment about what this page contains. What are the text features that are included? What are the things that you notice are missing? Go ahead and share with your reading partner the differences you noticed between the Face-to-Face book and the Seymour Simon book. Readers, I made a chart showing the things that are in the Seymour Simon and the Face-to-Face book. I noticed that in the Seymour Simon book there are big photos. The photos are often close-up. I noticed that he does not have headings or subheadings in his books. I noticed that he has lots of text. And though we didn't see it, he also includes a glossary and an index in his book. I noticed in the Face-to-Face book there were also pictures, but they did have headings. There were also captions, which are not in the Seymour Simon book, and there are sidebars. Readers, a sidebar is information writing that's off to the side, and it supports what's written in the text, but it may not be the same. So, in this sidebar, it talks about penguins, and it says, "Are penguins too lazy to fly?" And then it gives information about that. Readers, I also noticed that in the Face-to-Face book there was lots of text. There was also a glossary and an index and a sources page in the back. Today, as you read, I want you to do the same with the books that you're reading. I want you to notice what text features each author includes and which ones they don't. You're going to meet with a partner who is reading about a different author, and you're going to compare and contrast what each author has. Let's make it a great reading day.